We have come at correct time. It's 5:30. Trekking time is around 1 hour. 6:30 sunset will be on top. It's gonna be awesome.
What's up, everyone? We're on the way to a place called Gudibande Gutte. Gudibande. So on our way, we have just stopped for our lunch. This is a place we have come for lunch. Look at this place. We'll sit here only and have go.
So nice lake. We started. We are about to
Nice lake. This is the lake now. We have reached this Gudibanda. Near the Gudibanda, there is this very nice lake. I'll give you a full shot of this place as well. Look at this.
Fill the petrol. Now it's saying to come friend.
So we are actually reached the Gudibanda Betta. Also, this is a place where I can test my newly bought walkie-talkie.
So we climbed half steps, and now we are going, and it looks like that I am the highest. Climbed so much steps, and there is Babu Chachu.
I'll just tell you brief about this Gudibande. Gudi means temple, Bande means all the rocks that you see. So there is a temple on top, so that is why it is called as Gudibanda.
Wow, what a view.
So it was built on 17th century, somewhere around 400 years back. So it was built by some yogi, and the chieftain, they called him as Bairegowda.
I think the steps are over. Now we have to go. So this is me. First time I'm recording.
Bairegowda, if you have to tell about, he is like a Robin Hood for this place. So he used to, steal from the rich people and then give it to the poor.
ये मैं हूँ, ये हमारा mountain है, और यहाँ पे ट्रैकिंग हो रही है.
So we have just crossed one intersection. So he had built a reservoir. You can see there. So he had built some levels of, storing the water in this hill.
Say hi to this camera. Say hi.
We have come at the right time. You see the sun right in front of me, around 45 degrees. That means it's going to set really soon.
I can climb. Not a bit.
Hope so. And they had so many places through which, so many intersections through which they could, escape in case of emergency. You want to lift? Aja, Saji. Come.
Let's go, please. This is intersection 5.
What was that?
Mountain.
No, intersection?
Intersection 5.
5, yeah.
You उठा लेता.
This is intersection
6.
Give hand, Chiru.
inside this cave intersection. It's really cool. Maybe people used to rest here as well. The other side there is a resting place. Chirag is not creating problem, Kod? Siti? See? You fine?
Kodil camera idu.
Here monkeys there. You almost reached the top. This is the entrance to the fort. One entrance to the fort, first entrance. Come, Shruti. Hello, Babu, come in.
You. अब अच्छे से कुछ है.
So there are carved steps here. Have to be careful. There are a lot of monkeys here. If you have food, try to avoid or keep within inside your bag. They'll try to snatch you. One of our friend, Amit, tried to come from a different location. He wanted to take a shortcut location, and he is lost now. We are going to look for him. Actually, the meaning of fort is that you cannot enter from any other side other than one or two sides, defined sides. If there were any shortcuts, it would have been easy for enemies to get in, right? So I'm just looking for him. He said he's somewhere here. So he was here according to my drone location. Not visible anywhere. Amit! Amit! So this is the temple. This is the temple that I was talking about, and there are other places to rest. This is completely fort guarded. Actually, they also said this is kind of a replica fort from another fort. I'll let you know maybe here. So this is how secure it is. You can't get onto this. This is how earlier it used to be. Nowadays. Finally found him. There he is. There he is. How will you come?
I tried to come till there and again I came back. It was so scary.
Amit, this is fort. Fort matlab you can't get in.
I know.
If you could get in, any enemy can get in.
I got it till here now.
That's all you can.
Yeah, I know. I'll be back.
Come now.
I came through a shortcut and it's a hidden lake here. All alone here. They're coming from other ways. I took the shortcut. Now I'm trying to go through this way. I'm still not sure if I'll be able to climb this. भेजिए हम recording कर रहे हैं. My sister-in-law is there. Couldn't find a way. Have to go through the same way. And it's becoming dark. See the lights on. It's looking beautiful.
Nothing is visible, man.
I was lost. I don't know. I was lost or they were lost.
How are you feeling with getting lost?
No lost. I was finding a new way which I couldn't find.
There is a car. If the car light blinks, that means it's safe and sound.
It will break that house.
Let's go. Finally, we are done trekking down at this pitch dark. It was almost not visible without the flashlight.
Car is not visible, which is in backside.
Car
You
is not
put the light.
Now it's visible.
It's
That's
there.
the car, yeah. So we're done trekking. It was awesome trek. But the problem was if you're coming with the family, make sure you come on time. On time, that means try to trek between 3 to 4 o'clock. Come on a normal day, not on a sunny day. Even if you come on a sunny day, make sure you carry all the essentials. And Otherwise, the trekking was fun. It was like a trek itself, even though there were steps. And Amit, who was lost, also is found.
I was not lost.
He is the one.
I was finding the way.
But no regrets. All fun. Guys, you guys come here. I'll share the link in the description, the Google Map link in the description. Have fun and see you in another location.